Hi you all, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about introducing you to our latest launches, starting from our burgundy donuts crunchy to our low density wig and different shades of clip-on bun that we've recently introduced. So today I'm here to tell you the usage of these and how you can style it along with your hair. So let's start. Our first launch this year was our backcomb topper but in a shorter length. This is my hair color. So I'm going to show you, for someone like my hair, a wavy texture would work the best. If you have short hair and you have wavy hair and you do not like a parting, this product is for you. You make a section from your front hair and then clip this one in. And once you do that, you have a perfectly backcombed hair with waves in it. I love this product. It's available in straighter texture too and in every hair shade you may ask for. Natural black, dark brown, light brown, highlights, ombre. These are few of the shades that this product is available in. It gives you volume, coverage, blends so well with my hair. अगर आपके बाल लंबे हैं तब भी ये work कर सकते. Then came our low density wig. This wig I designed for women who were looking for wigs in budget. So this one is great quality. At the same time, it's made with lesser hair, which also reduces the cost of making and also cost for you when you are purchasing. So this was mainly made for women who are going under chemotherapy and they need it for a few months, and after that they can discard. So life of this product is not too much for you. Let me show you how to use this one. Whether you have hair or no hair, if you do have a little bit hair, I'll request use your baby hair in front for this one. Even when you get chemo done after a month or two, if you've shaved your hair, this hair comes back, so you can keep this out. If you don't have, then also it works perfectly fine. Now this looks way too lifted for me, so I'm gonna set this. So this is what it looks like. It does feel a little lifted on my head, and I also feel it's because the cap has less hair, so the cap is taking its own shape, which I feel with 1 or 2 washes it'll take the shape of your head because the net becomes softer on which we've stitched the weft, whereas this part can be shifted to whichever side you prefer, because this is a silk base in here. It looks like it's more hair, but ideally it is just this much hair, but I like it more opened up. And it's very breathable, very light on your scalp, especially if you have no hair at all and you want to wear it. It does require a little bit of setting. That's something I definitely feel. So if you think it'll look exactly like the way it's looking on me, you will need to put it on your head and set it to your style and make it your own. Then came in our rose clip-on bun. It's like your regular clip-on bun. It clips onto your hair. Recently, we've added dark black and light brown. So if you have light brown hair or if you have red hair, we have all the colors. I love this one because my hair is dark black right now. We also recently released our caramel highlights for someone like me who has absolute one-tone hair and wants to get highlights but doesn't want to color her hair. Okay, so this is something I'm using recently for going out in the evenings because I've decided now I want to have one-tone hair for as long as I can because it's easy to maintain, I feel, and every hair extension then works on my hair. So this was created keeping you girls in mind. Just looks really, really cute, effortless. And yeah, again, this is a budget product too. Then I made somewhere in the mid-year by March, I think, these strands, which is called Do strands, which literally means that these are two strands. This works as a great filler if you need thickness. It's like kind of frame my face, but it's not seamless like frame my face if you see. So अगर आप इसे लगाएंगे तो ये दिख सकता है, but you can cover with your hair, and yes, if you put a little water on this also becomes wavy. This product was created again if it can be easy on your pocket. At the same time, this can work as a filler on the sides if you're looking for thickness, and you can put them anywhere, and they are made in 10 to 12 inches, and it comes in only 2 colors. This is natural black and this is dark brown. Then on popular demand, we introduced this clipless hairline. This was made for women whose hairline has receded at least 2 to 3 inches behind from their original hairline. So it may not look good on somebody who has a smaller forehead. So when you come to me saying, give me a clipless product because it's the new trend, you may feel like, oh my god, this is natural scalp. But the moment it goes on the hair, it doesn't look so natural and you can see the net. So leave this product for women whose hairline is going behind, because when it's onto your skin, then it's really difficult to identify. But you see, it brings my own forehead so much in front, which just doesn't look natural. So again, in the videos, I make it look natural, but will it work for somebody who has a smaller forehead? No. It looks really real the moment I look up, because मेरे खुद के बाल यहीं पे हैं, ये दिखेगा. लेकिन अगर आपका forehead एकदम पीछे जा चुका है और आप ये आगे से लगाओगे, then it will work for you. So please share it with somebody whose hairline has actually gone behind for this to look real on them. But I do not want to disappoint you. Even if your hairline has gone behind 0.5 inches, then this product is my favorite, because this is clip-in hairline with curtain bangs. So it solves two purposes. If you want beautiful looking curtain bangs, then you go for this. And if you want your forehead to be hidden but looking really, really natural, then also this works. How I like to wear this one is, I just clip it onto my hairline by pushing it behind. And I personally like it when I tie my hair, because then it looks damn cute. And this looks really, really seamless. You can't tell you've put something. It's really narrow, as you can see, and it's made on black lace. It's all hand-tied hair. Last but not the least, we introduced our rich burgundy donuts scrunchie and Rosetta, which is more towards the pinkish side, if you can see. They both look so pretty, and if you have blackish hair like mine, and if you want a pop of color when you make a bun, it looks so cute. Let me show you. And I'm going to put both and create a nice cocktail of burgundy. This is my burgundy bun. So these were few of my latest launches. I really tried to tell you guys in detail how to use it, how you could style it, how I personally like to wear it. I hope it was helpful. If you like this, please subscribe our channel. I'll try to be more regular than this weather in this video, which was like going up and down, up and down. And thanks if you stayed till the end. So bye.